Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Allison Remington, Instructional Technology Specialist at Clinton County RESA, and today's Tech Tip Tuesday is going to focus on how to specifically create a live updating PDF link straight from your Google Doc. Here are the steps in the process. First, you're going to go to your Google Doc, and you're going to go up to the URL, and you're going to delete the part that says /edit and everything after that. Then you replace it with this key phrase. And then you copy that whole new link and you share that new link so that it can reflect the changes you make in your Google Doc, but it opens it up as a PDF. So let me show you how this works with my sample Google Doc. So here's my sample Google Doc. I'm going to go up to the URL at the top and I'm going to scroll all the way over to the right. I'm going to look for the /edit and I highlight everything to the right and delete it, and I replace it with that key phrase at /export format equals PDF. Now I'm going to take that whole URL, copy it, and I'm going to paste that into a new tab. And you'll see that I will be able to download that PDF. Right? So I'm also going to paste it here so we can refer back to this link. Okay, so I did the work. I went through all of these steps. This is my link that when I click on it, instead of opening the Google Doc, it takes me to a PDF. Okay, so now let's test the theory that if I make changes in my Google Doc here, if I go back to that link, those changes will be reflected. So for example, I'm going to remove this graphic from my original Google Doc. Now, I'm going to go back to that link that I created, and it's going to have me download the PDF, and there it is. That image has been deleted here as well. So what's nice about changing the URL to reflect those changes is that it's always forcing the user to open up the document in a PDF. Normally you'll have to download a PDF every time you make changes to your Google Doc, but instead you take this URL that you've made changes to and save that URL and share that with everybody, so then if you're making changes within that Google Doc, when they open it up as a PDF, it's still going to reflect those changes. So that's it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you have an idea, question, or suggestion for a Tech Tip Tuesday topic, email me and your idea may be featured in a future training or Tech Tip Tuesday blast.